the ability to plan for inheritance tax. So a flexibility that you have through a limited company is to have different classes of shares. These are generally called alphabet shares. Alphabet because they start from A all the way to Z. And then with that, you can have growth shares, you can have freezer shares. So let's say you've got you and a spouse, and you've got a child, and they're 18, and you want to start a property business, and you might say 40% goes to you, 40% goes to your spouse, and 20% of the shares in this new company could go to your child. So therefore, you're giving them some value that you're going to create by growing the company. And you could then freeze your shares at some point in the future, give your child growth shares to enable them to grow the company so that you incentivize them so they get more value going forward. So this is a benefit if that's something you're looking to do to mitigate for inheritance tax in the future. At the same time, and this is important, incentivizing whoever you do. Using my example, it could be your child or your children, incentivizing them to be involved in the company and getting them to be focused on growing the company and working hard for the company, in return getting more value. So that flexibility is available to you if you have a limited company.